Airplane mode.
Did I catch a flight just for Sonics? Hell yes.
Let's get Krispy Kreme in Maui. I'm getting these mini ones. Got it. Yum.
Let's try Tanaka Ramen and Izakaya in Kahalui. Guys, these are their fried chicken skins. Yum-ee, you hear that crunch? So good. And to balance that out, this is their tofu avocado salad. Yum, that sesame dressing is bomb. Tanaka Ramen and Izakaya, go check them out. Bye!
Mm-hmm.